Hello everyone. Now we see a lot of young people, young children coming diagnosed with refractive errors and have been advised glasses. And usually the child does not understand the relevance, but the parents seem very disappointed and very unhappy that the child needs to use the glass. They're always skeptical how the child will use the glass, or we don't want to give them the glass right now. Can the power go back? So I just want to resolve some queries for the parents. One thing is that a lot of screen exposure from a very early age is there, right? So we expect the power to be present right from an early age. That's one thing. Our outdoor activities are very minimal. Most of the people and children have an exposure throughout the day at the most 10 or 15 feet radius in which you are living and looking at. So you're not developing much of a distance vision. So the chances of developing power for distance is quite significant, right? Now, this is a message not for children but for the parents. One thing is, as far as possible, avoid giving any smaller screens to the child and delay it as far as possible. The second thing is, even if your child does develop power, please don't get disappointed. It is a very common thing to happen, and it is not that your child is abnormal. It's absolutely fine to have an error, and till it is not something which is increasing at a fast pace, then it is not considered a disease. That is why it comes in the group of errors and not disease. So if we take adequate precautions, we may control it. Second thing is that use of glass in children, if they have a power, helps to develop their vision and brain both. So it is a stimulus for the brain to see better. That not only helps in them to see better, but also for them to understand things better. So please do not get disappointed if the child has been advised glasses. The child looks very cute with glasses. There are now so many beautiful frames available and you can choose from the lot. So don't get disappointed. If you will feel unhappy with the glass, and the child will not get the confidence and may also lose confidence for wearing the glass. Glass is only an aid to see better. Don't consider it more than that. So be happy and get your eyes regularly examined, and for your children also.